This is going to show you exactly how to move the smoke detector. Okay, so you just have to hold it and then turn it round. Yeah, and that's it, it's out. Yeah, and then there are two. If you want to know how it connects to the power, you can see these two metal here. They are what connects power to this smoke detector, and then we're going to install it right back again, just so you see the removal and the installation process. So yeah, there you go. This is strictly for maintenance, not for fresh installation. So yeah, that's it. Some of the ones that were just removed, you can see how dusted here. Some of them are even bad, like see, see, you know. Seems like water has entered inside them, and then some of them are just so dirty with dust everywhere. So here we go, here we go. Yeah, you can imagine how much dust might have entered inside. And then these ones here have all been cleaned. You can see them sparkling white, shiny. What it actually takes to remove this is just to hold it and twist it, yeah, and then it would um, open. That's from the ceiling actually. But right now, after we have removed it from the ceiling, we just have to remove two screws. There are two screws here, and they are hidden under this sticker here. Like you can see, we've already found this one, the other one is here, and we're going to find it as well. So watch as we unscrew. So that's the second one there, right under the sticker. And tada, the second one is out. There are just two screws, and then the next step is to remove the upper casing, the upper cover, separate it from the down part. So easy, you can see that. So it is after this stage that we'll need to start doing the cleaning. Like you can see dust around. This one is not so dirty. Some are usually more, dusty and dirty than this one. You can see some of the other ones here that have been opened already. Yeah, all the way down there. Opened up for cleaning. They have been opened for cleaning. As you can see, opened like you can see, and this is like the final part of cleaning. After cleaning here and cleaning this is completely clean. The back is clean, everywhere is clean. So there's this other part here uh, where you need to open. You have to be careful because um, yeah, this is a delicate part. So as you can see as well, this other place has a lot of dust in it. So I'm going to clean this as well, and then I'll use the blower to blow this up, and then when I'm done I'm going to put this back, and that's like the final process before I start putting everything together again. I just opened this and cleaned it like I showed you earlier, and look, take a look at this. There's a joining here, and then there is this line here. So this particular brand works like this. Once you put it like this, it enters. But I'm not going to do this yet because I need to blow dry it. I need to blow any dirt that might be inside. So this is the dryer, the hand blower I'm using. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn it on. It's very effective. If there's dust or sand there and then I turn it on, it's just going to blow all of them away. So I'm going to be using it here. So this is more like the final cleaning process. So like this now, I can tell that it's all clean. There is nothing, there's no dirt there. So yeah, now that I'm done doing this, I'm just going to make sure this line here is facing the joining here, and then I'm just going to clip it. Yeah, that's all. So this is the final process before I'll need to screw it. Like you can see, it's not going to fall off because it's clipped already. Have been cleaned completely before they are covered, and these are the covers for them. And then these are the ones that have been blown, cleaned, but they have not been covered. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. These other ones right here have all been cleaned, and you can see how they are sparkling white inside out, and they have been screwed back as well.